Hey! Welcome back to Janito's channel, the place where we turn bare ground into green gold. Welcome to this beautiful orange grove. Here, every orange is ripened by the golden sun. Today, we are going all the way, from choosing your very first seed, all the way to earning money from your orange farm. Whether you're a total beginner or you've already tried growing oranges, this video will give you everything you need. So grab a notebook, hit subscribe, and let's get into it. And welcome to this beautiful orange orchard. Let's explore what it takes to grow. These ripe oranges are ready for harvest. Before you can grow anything, you need to start with the right seeds or seedlings. Here's where to find them. Karibu to my orange orchard. Look at these beautiful fruits. Now, let me show you how we collect the seeds. Here they are. Buy a healthy ripe orange. Cut it open, remove the seeds, wash them clean, and let them dry for 1 to 2 days before planting. Buy certified seeds from your local agricultural supply store or government seeds. Always ask for certified disease-free seeds. Grafted seedlings give you fruit faster. For beginners, buy them from a good nursery. You'll get fruit in 2 to 3 years, not 5 to 7. Welcome to the Agrovet. I'm buying certified orange seeds for planting. Ensure high quality and better yields. Let's make the purchase. Now, where do you get fresh oranges once your tree is producing? Or where can you source quality fruit right now? The freshest and most affordable source.
Karibu, fresh oranges, best price. Bananas, very sweet today.
And of course, once your trees mature, you'll have your own harvest to sell, eat, and share. That's the real goal. Oranges come from tropical and subtropical regions. The weather, like sun and rain, is vital for their growth. For oranges, the best temperature is between 15 and 35 degrees Celsius. They can handle mild frost, but freezing temperatures, not ideal. For oranges, you need 750 to 1500 millimeters of rain per year. Drought stress during flowering can reduce yield significantly. If you live in a drier area, don't worry. With proper irrigation, you can still grow oranges successfully. Alright, let's get our hands dirty. Here is your complete step-by-step guide to planting orange trees the right way. Choose a sunny spot with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Test your silic soil. Prepare the soil. Clear the area of weeds and rocks. Till the soil to a depth of at least 40 cm. Mix in compost to enrich the soil. Dig planting holes 60 centimeters wide and space trees upon meters in rows. This allows sunlight and air circulation. To prepare a grafted seedling, carefully remove the plastic bag without the stem. Peel the bag downwards. Now it's ready for planting. Water immediately after planting. Water deeply above. This settles the soil and eliminates air pockets. I'm applying 5 to 8 centimeters of mulch around the base. This will retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate temperature. Place the seedling in the hole so that the graft union sits above the soil line. Farm the soil gently around the base. Green thumbs and citrus lovers, I hope you're understanding everything that I am teaching you. If you have any questions, just list it down on the comment section. Wow, we are still together in planting. Let me show you how to do grafting. Remember to always stay tuned and let's see how your orange is thriving. Guys, today I am showing you how to do grafting. So let us get started. What you'll need: a healthy rootstock seedling, 1 to 2 years old with a pencil-thick stem, and a scion, a cutting from your desired orange variety. To start, you'll need a sharp grafting knife. Next is the grafting tape to secure the union, and a clean cloth to keep everything tidy. Choose the best time to graft when the tree is actively growing and the bark slips easily. Avoid cold or dry weather. Take your rootstock plant and wipe the stem clean. Using your grafting knife, make a clean T-shaped cut in the bark. Be careful not to cut too deep. Prepare your scion. From your orange variety, cut a healthy scion with a bark shield. Remove the leaf but keep a short stem handle. Gently lift the flaps of your T-cut from a young seedling and slide the scion shield underneath. Push it down until it sits snugly.
Tape in tight overlapping spirals upward, keeping the bud exposed. This seals the graft and protects the bud as it grows.
In 2 weeks, check if the bud is still green and plump. That means success. Growing oranges isn't hard, but consistent care makes all the difference. Here's your care checklist. Young trees need watering every 2 to 3 days. Mature trees once a week during dry season. Avoid waterlogging. Ensure good drainage. Pruning is key. Once a year after harvest, remove dead or crossing branches to improve airflow and encourage new growth. Watch for citrus leaf miner, aphids, and fruit flies. Use organic neem oil spray or approved pesticides early in the morning. To keep the tree healthy, we need to remove weeds around its base. Clear a 1 meter radius. This reduces competition for nutrients. Fertilizing. Feed with balanced NPK fertilizer during the growing season. And here's a big one: compost manure. We'll talk about that next. This rich, dark compost improves soil structure, giving roots the perfect environment. Feel how it crumbles, perfect for healthy growth. In the soil, healthy bacteria and fungi in compost break down nutrients. This feeds the soil microbiome, so tree roots can absorb them efficiently. Save money. Make compost from kitchen waste, crop residues, and animal manure, all for free or very low cost. Environmentally friendly, no harmful chemicals. Better for you, your community, and the planet. Dig a shallow ring around the tree drilling. you'll see a visible difference in leaf color and fruit size within weeks. Let's see the difference compost makes. Here are the leaves and fruits before, and after, the growth is clear. This ripe orange shows the farm's vitality, while this new seedling represents our hopeful future. Together, they embody the promise of this land. Fresh oranges packed with benefits.
Get them here, fresh daily. So refreshing and healthy.
Nature's perfect energy boost. Oranges are a double blessing. They take care of your body and your bank account. Let's break it down. Rich in vitamin C, boosts the immune system, fights infections, speeds up healing, and keeps skin glowing. Oranges are great for your heart. They're high in flavonoids and potassium, which help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Brain power. Antioxidants in oranges support brain health and may reduce risk of cognitive decline. Mature orange trees produce fruit for 20 to 30 years. A well-maintained grove is a long-term income stream. The beauty of this crop is the multiple markets. We sell fresh fruit, juice, as an essential oil, many revenue streams from one crop. Welcome to this beautiful orange orchard. The trees are heavy with ripe, juicy oranges, ready for harvest. Orange farming creates employment during planting, maintenance, harvesting, and marketing seasons. Thanks for joining me in this beautiful orchard. I picked this fresh orange just for you. Subscribe for more adventures.